Ladies and gentlemen, the Estafette Concept. This new vehicle embodies our vision of the urban professional mobility and the future of vans. And to shed the light of its design, I will now leave the floor to Yannick Bignon, our head of Renault LCV design. Yannick, the floor is yours.
Thank you, Heinz, and a warm welcome to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, as Heinz pointed out, this concept vehicle embodies our vision of the future, while drawing inspiration from the past. It borrows from the Estafette, the brand's iconic vehicle, with dimension optimized for urban logistics, a height of 2.6 meters, allowing a person who is 1.90 meters tall to move around comfortably in the cargo area. A short vehicle, less than 5 meters, 4.87 meter length, making it easy to park in town in a standard parking space. A narrow vehicle to facilitate its use in the city, and a turning radius of a Clio. A look at its external design reveals modern and clean shapes, giving a sense of high quality. Its highly distinctive front end features a yellow headband that breaks up the perceived height. The beton yellow roof provides a very strong and modern identity, while the helium matte gray body color further accentuates the tech aspect of the vehicle. The front design transports us into another dimension, and especially through the lighting headband and DRL, which create a strong, modern, and technical identity. The headlamp, positioned on the lower part of the front end, emphasizes to enhance the futuristic and technological appeal. A triptych windscreen adds modern and futuristic touch with its visor effect, while also flooding the cabin with natural light. Everything has been designed to reduce the total cost of usage without compromising on quality. This smart design can be seen, for example, through its sliding door or rear shutter instead of French door, ideal for loading. And you can notice, by the way, the modern approach on the rear light. And now let's explore the inside of the vehicle. When entering the cabin, the perceived quality is immediately apparent. Its design, inspired by mobile office, combines a very tech dimension with simple shapes. The IP tube on the dashboard is very modern for the LCV world. The cabin incorporates a lot of smart design elements to reduce the total cost of usage and to simplify daily work. A clean design to facilitate access to the seat and to the cargo area. A 12-touch screen oriented towards the driver, in addition to a 10-inch screen for the cluster. A wide range of storage area. A raised seat that allows the driver to stand up easily and ergonomically. And a cylindrical door handles with easy access button to simplify opening. But the driver wasn't our only concern when designing this vehicle. We have also thought about city dwellers. And to protect and inform them, we have integrated safety features to the vehicle. Information displayed on 3 screens, on the front, on the side, and on the rear. Zebra on the ground to delimit a safety zone for pedestrians and cyclists. And a partition door for the cargo area, to go from the cockpit to the cargo area, prevents the drivers from exiting on the roadside and enhance safety of goods as they are not visible from the street. In short, every detail is modern and designed to make the driver's life more comfortable and easier, allowing for intensive daily use. But beyond that, with Estafette Concept, we are reinventing professional urban mobility to make it smoother, more efficient, while bringing color to the city. Now, I hand over to Heinz for final word.
Awesome. I really like it, I have to say. So, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, with our current and future product lineup, we are prepared to further accompany our customers with innovative products and solutions.